Hello everyone, my name is NKD. My farm's name is NKD Farms. I'm happy for you having me here. Today we are going to talk about ducks. Yes, there are so many types of ducks. Yes, but today we are going to talk about two. That is the Muscovy ducks and the Peking ducks. Yes, these two ducks that we are going to talk about because that is what I have in my farms. That is what I rear. Although I have geese, but I want us to talk about Muscovies and then Pekins. Muscovies are most often the ducks that we have in our area. That some people even say the local ducks. Yes, but we have the foreign one, we have hybrid, and we have the local. The local ones are a little bit very smaller. The hybrid are in the medium stage, and the foreign ones are very big in sizes. Yes. So if you want to venture into duck farming, Muscovies is also one of the ducks that you can also rear. They are very excellent egg layers, and one Muscovy can lay up to 30 eggs, and they can hatch between 15 to 25 eggs at a go. Yes. They grow faster. 4 months, they are ready for the market. Even there are some people, when you have the good breed, like the medium, that is the hybrid or the pure breeds, 3 months, they can even give you up to 2.5 to 3 kilos. Yes. So if you want to venture into duck farming, consider adding Muscovies because they can even hatch the eggs themselves. Sorry. And then you can also even give them different animals eggs and they can hatch them for you, like fowls, guinea fowls, turkey eggs. They can hatch it very well for you. Yes. And then when it comes to the meat are very nice. Those are, and then the meat, it is very sweet and delicious. Yes. At first, people used to say, "Oh, these animals they are dirty. These animals they are that. These animals they are that." People even had the perception and the superstition that they can even turn to snakes, but it's never true. Muscovy ducks are very good. They are very sweet. Yes, when it comes to the meat, it is one of my favorite meats. Yes, when it comes to my farms, I have different types of animals. I have sheep, goat, different types of fowls, rabbits, grasscutter, um, porcupine, tail porcupines, civets, different. But the one of my favorite meat is ducks, and that is why I'm recommending for you to also get some. So if you want some for meat, you can get. If you want some for breeding, you can also get it from our farms. Secondly, Muscovies are very good in terms of sickness. They are very good in terms of sickness. Their only sickness that can kill them is paralysis and Newcastle. So make sure you give them good food, good medication, especially antibiotics. Don't say they are water animals. So once they are water animals and it's raining, they should always be in the rain. No, get them a good shelter because even water beds in the wild, when they are in the water, at a certain stage, they come back to the banks to seek shelter, to get heat so that their feathers will dry. So get them a very good and nice place that they can sleep whenever they need a shelter. Give them a good food, give them good vitamins and then antibiotics, and they can give you all the best results that you want. So the sickness that really affect them is paralysis. So with paralysis, what you have to do is add more calcium to their food. Yes. Over here, what I do is I use eggshells. I mash them into powder, mix it with their feed, then I give them. The bones become stronger, and they also give me the best results that I want. So if you want a duck, go for Muscovy ducks. Then we also talk about the Peking ducks. Yes, the Peking ducks grows faster than the Muscovies. 3 months, they're ready for the table, especially when you are running the jumbo type. Over here, we do the jumbo type. I don't have the normal Pekins, but I have the foreign jumbo Pekins. 4 months, they start giving you eggs. But one problem is that they are not excellent egg layers. So over here, I do both Muscovies and Pekins. So whenever I want to hatch the eggs, I give the eggs to the Muscovies or to my incubator to hatch them because they lay more eggs. Because they lay more eggs, you can give the eggs to your incubator and then they can hatch it. They can lay up to 260 per year. With a proper lighting and proper feeding system, they can even give you up to 300 eggs. So if you want eggs from a duck, or if you're a duck farmer and you want to add another breed that can give you more eggs, go for the Pekins. For more meat, go for the Pekins because they are like a broiler chicken. They grow faster, they get to the table or the slaughterhouse at a shorter time. Then they'll be ready for the market. So if you want to get a proper good breed, then I will recommend you get the Pekins. But the Pekins, like I said, those that grows faster is the Jumbo Pekins. That is the Jumbo type. The Jumbo type grows really fast. 3 months, they'll be ready for you to slaughter. Yes. So that is one thing that I wanted you to know about Peking ducks and Muscovy ducks. Yes. Okay. So somebody will ask, how do I start with Peking ducks? How do I start with Muscovy ducks? Where can I get some? When can I get some? You see, all these questions comes under one umbrella. You can get it anytime from NKD farms. You can also import or get a good breeder at your local area, town, or the country that you are. Get somebody with a good parent stock and buy the smaller ones from the person. But if you think you are not in a good shape to take care of the smaller ones, you can get about the 6 weeks or the 2 months. Over here, the younger ones, the day oats, we give them broiler starter. With the broiler starter, it makes them grow faster. Yes, so within 6 weeks to 2 months, all the feathers has been able to attain its place, and then they can also generate heat for themselves. Yes, so we give them broiler starter, and then after 6 weeks, we give them grower mash for them to grow. But the advantage part about Muscovy ducks and then the Peking ducks is you can give them your chicken leftovers. Yes, your kitchen leftovers, and they will enjoy it. So what you have to do is give them a good foundation. That is the broiler starter. If you're able to give them a good broiler starter for 6 weeks or for 2 months, giving them any chaff, they will still grow and give you the results that you want. Yes. So with the foundation, get a proper good feed, a feed that is between 22 to 24% of crude protein. With that, they can grow faster, and within 6 weeks to 2 months, they are ready for you to be able to change their feed Giving them any feed, they can even give you the results. Yes. Okay. So, like I said earlier, you need to give the animals a good shelter. Yes, get a very nice place. If you want to do intensive one, build a big cage, put them in. You can give them sawdust, or give them a very good place that um, they can feel comfortable, and then the sanitation aspect can be able to also take care of it really well, so that there won't be a lot of flies in your farms, there won't be a lot of scent in your farms, and then it won't also cause problem, because you see, the more you are doing the farm, the more you attract hatred. So when the scent is too much, your neighbors will start worrying you, and it will be very difficult for you. Yes. Somebody was asking that what is the advantage and the disadvantage about the Muscovies and the Peking ducks. You see, if you are somebody, um, if you are somebody who is not used to sound, unexpected sounds or unusual sounds, Muscovies are one of the nuisance. They'll always give you noise. As you can hear from the background, they are still making noise. Yes, that is how they are. But Muscovies are very quiet. Very quiet. They only make sound when they have been attacked or when there's a problem. So anytime you hear a Muscovy with a sound, it tells you that there's a problem. But for Pekins, they are very noisious. They are very noisious. That is the difference. And then another advantage and disadvantage is it takes the Muscovies a lot of time to grow, whilst it takes the Pekins also a shorter time to also grow. So that is the advantage, some of the advantage and the disadvantages about the Pekins and the Muscovies. So you see, like I said, you get your cage, get a good foundational food, a good protein food that is between 24 to 22% of crude protein for the first 6 weeks when you are starting with the younger ones, especially those who buy the day oats or a week oat. Give them a broiler starter up to 6 weeks, and then you continue with a grower mash. Within 5 months, you can give them a layer mash, and they can give you the eggs that you want. But if you are doing it a backyard, give them a broiler starter. Then after 2 months, give them a free range, whatever feed that you can, but it should be very also rich in fiber. Give it to them, and they will give you the results within 6 months. Yes. Okay. So somebody also asked that how do I construct a watering system for them? You can do the nipple system. You can do the gallon system. That is by dividing a gallon into two. And then you can also do a mini pond or a larger pond. Yes, you can construct a larger pond for them. You can also construct a bigger pond for them, and they'll be okay. But please again, don't put it in your mind that because they love water, you can give them any water. They can also get a problem when it comes to water. Give them a good, clean water. Don't say they like dirty water, so let me also give them dirty water. They will fall sick. So give them clean water always. Change their bowls, especially when you are putting the water in gallon or bowls. Change their bowls each and every day, the water in it, clean it very well, and they are going to give you the results. Yes. Somebody also asked what are the benefits. Yes, there are a lot of benefits that you are going to get. That is by selling the day old, by selling for breeders, and by selling the meat. And you yourself, you can also enjoy some of the meat. Yes, and it's very nice because it's very rich in phosphorus and protein. Yes, and the cholesterol level is also very low. So these are some of the benefits that you can also get it from the Muscovies and the Peking ducks. Okay, so concerning the duck or the Muscovies business, when it comes to the marketing, let's go to the marketing aspect. When it goes to the marketing aspect, you goes with, you can sell them online. That is putting it on all the social media platforms, um, WhatsApp platforms. Yes, you can sell them on. You can also sell it to your local people, their community. You can sell it to your friends and family. You see, I got to a time when I wanted people to know the meat. What I do is, at first, when I started, I'll dash some to my area people, my friends, my family. I dash them. When they join and they realize the meat is very nice, they recommend to their friends. And when the friends comes, I sell to them. That is where I make business. That is where I make money. So please, if you want to sell, don't say, oh, I have the animals and I'm not getting the market. No, you can sell it yourself, or you can even add value. If I say add value, how do you add value? You can add value through turning the meat or the live animal into meat and process it to a different way. Okay, you can process it doing it like a soup, pepper soup, stews. You grill it, you fry it. Yes, you can turn it, adding other foods like banku or other dessert to it, and it'll make people also buy it. So if you have a wife in the house, she's not doing anything, process it. Let her cook something, even if it is in bowls, stew and soup. Do your advert. When people start enjoying it, they will buy, and you can sell all your ducks in your farms. Yes. So try your possible best to do your own advert. Never, and I will say never, say that there is no market. No, there's always a market. The demand is always there. The demand is higher than the supply. Keep on doing it. If you have some and you want to sell it, you can contact us with the numbers on the screen. We will recommend consumers for you, and they will also enjoy it. So anytime you are doing, don't be discouraged that people don't patronize duck's meat. They do a lot. They do a lot. I know somebody who supplies a company 70 pieces every week. Every week, 70 pieces. There are a lot of markets out there. So anytime you want to start, start. If you want to sell it, you can contact us. We will help you sell it. If you also want to get a proper breed, contact us. We'll get you a proper breed. Yes. You can call our numbers on 0245 527788, 0245 527788, and we attend to you anytime. Get rabbit meat, get grasscutter meat, get any animal's meat, all for breeding, all at one umbrella. NKD Farms. We are here to serve you better. Please and please, for this video to go viral, for you to also get more education on this platform, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, and then leave your comment, because it's your comment that strengthens us. It's your comment that give us the guidelines to know what to bring out each and every day. So we will look up to your comments and everything. Thank you.